Nerds, I've got something interesting for you. I built this. This is a Johnsbo N3 NAS case. I've been meaning to put this together for a while now, and it's looking good. It's looking real good. Okay, let me walk you through it. So, in order to fulfill the 8 drive availability in the lower half of the case, I'm going to put in an M.2 to SATA, well, whatever this connector is. I can't remember what it is again. It's like SFF 80, 87 or something like that. It's the older version for HBAs. I got one of those coming in. It's going to sit right in there, right in the middle. And that is going to offer these drives 1.8 gigabytes a second of data throughput, which is just barely enough for all of them to run at full speed for, you know, for like a read or something. More than enough. I have my Intel, Gigabyte Z590 Vision D board in here. Currently there's a 10700K in there. I'm going to swap that out for an 11500 so I can have some nice low power usage and at the same time get use of this second M.2 slot, which is unavailable with the 10 series. At the same time, I also want the upgrade of the 730 UHD graphics from the Intel iGPU. I'm going to use that for transcoding. I've managed to stick 8 drives in the lower half. Another, I think the maximum this can be bifurcated into is by 8 by 4 by 4. Another 3 NVMe drives up here. Another M.2 drive underneath the board. And then, if you look at the back, party's always in the back. If you look at the back, I've managed to squeeze in another wonderful 2 terabyte Micron SATA drives that go directly to the motherboard SATA. This is going to be full. I've got two fans to come in here, an adapter to go from what looked at first to be proprietary. You can just barely see that in there. Just barely. If I move this cable out of the way, there are 3 tiny 4-pin connectors on there. Those are actually GPU fan headers, which are very small compared to the usual PWM fan headers. So this is going to have a total of 8 hard drives plus 4 flash plus another 4 M.2 flash. A lot of drives, Can't wait to test the idle power consumption and all that jazz and actually put it into production. So quick video, in, out. Thanks for hanging about. Bye.